Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahid Ail and I'm an EFL instructor. Well, dear students, do you remember the classes we studied last time? Yes, English language classes. Alhamdulillah, we have completed. Well, I am here with a great news for you and a great opportunity for you to learn English again. Well, अगर आप लोग भी सीखना चाहते हैं English अपनी studies के लिए, अपनी job के लिए या foreign studies के लिए, तो अभी contact कीजिए. Take out your mobile phones and contact with me on WhatsApp. Screen पे number आपके पास given है, आप इस number पे contact कर सकते हैं. I'll give you the further details of the courses, what I'm offering for you people to learn English as a foreign language. So we are planning to start the classes from 15th of November, inshallah. So what are you waiting for? Take out your mobile phones, get the information, get yourself booked for the classes and start learning. Thank you very much. See you in the classes. So let me tell you the time of the classes. We are starting classes from 15th of November, inshallah. So we are planning to start the class. चुप करें आप.